Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are about to do a kitchen styling. It is now 7 minutes to 11. It's very late here and it's just me and my oldest son is up. He's about to go to bed because he has school in the morning for 7. So I'm just gonna try and, the house is quiet. I'm gonna try and put the garland to the top of the cupboards and see what we get done because I need a different look. I need something to spice the Christmas inside this apartment. So this is what we are about to do right now. Just put the garland to the top and see how far what all we got done tonight. So let's go. This garland, I got it from Walmart a few years ago, and I usually put it on my staircase, but this year I don't have any staircase to put up because we sold our home. So I'm just gonna put it on the top and see how it looking. So I'm gonna put it all around the cupboard because we have a lot of cupboards up here. And what I did, I wanted to just rest it on top here, but so you're giving me a piece. It was a piece of work to put up. And what I usually do in my last home, I usually put a screw and then use the garland itself and just wrap it around the screw. But because we're in an apartment, I didn't want it to do that. I just wanted to just, and the command, I don't know, but the command does not work for me because the garland is heavy. This is 2 garland double together, wrapped together, so it's quite heavy. So I just wanted to just put it to the top. And it take a while before I got it done, but eventually I did, and I'm just flocking it and making it look more fluff because I want it to at least look more fluff. I don't want it to have like a big gap on between the cupboards and the ceiling. So I just wanted that fullness of greenery to the top there. So I'm just adding where I see need adding and moving along. And I am absolutely loving how it's looking. It is giving what it's supposed to give. But here it was like after 12 and I was a bit tired. So we are about to call it a day because I am loving it. I love it, love it, love it. Had my little dance right here showing you like, yep, I'm loving it. Was tired, so I finished that for the night and that was the end of the night. So we are back and it's in the morning. It is now 9 o'clock. Kids are off to school, so baby's back down sleeping, and I am just going to add some lights to the garden upstairs and see where it goes. So these I'm gonna link on my Like to Know It. I did use these last year and I really love them. So I'm going to put them on the garland, just add them to the garland so you could have some light up there for the ambience. So I'm just detangling it like that. It from this side. So after I add the light, this is how it's looking. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But I was thinking if to add more stuff to it. I like add my balls, my picks, whatever. Let me know in the comments what you think I would do. By the time you answer, I would already make up my mind to see what it is going to be done. But let me know how you like it in the comments. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead at this time, like and subscribe so you know every time I upload a video. I would sure love for you to be a part. So after that, I decided I'm going to go ahead and add these picks. These picks was $1.99 from Hobby Lobby. I'm sorry my tongue tied there, but sister went up and sister was doing her do and getting it on. So I went and freshened up and come back to add the balls. And here I am just adding these velvet balls. You will see them I show them in my haul. If you did not see that, please go like and watch it. And these balls are from Hobby Lobby, and I use the velvet ribbon and add the velvet ribbon to the balls. And I am here just making sure my camera is in frame. So I went at different balls in different area and just calling my sons, tell them to bring more balls, bring more balls. So thank you, son. And I just add in randomly different colors, different, and just work my, just come back, look at it, see what I want, which ball I want where, and that's what I did. So with all the rambling, I'm going to leave you now, and so you can go and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Make sure you stay till the end. Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you are enjoying all the Christmas content I have been putting out and loving them, liking them, sharing them, and I hope they are inspiring you to decorate your home. So today we are in the kitchen area and I am about to style my countertops. I already did the styling of the garland on top of the cupboards. And so that, I'm not sure if we're going to add that to the video or it's going to be a separate video, but if not, I will let you know. And if it's going to be added, most likely I'm going to add it in part of the kitchen segment of kitchen styling. So with that being said, let us go ahead and start styling this area. My Pottery Barn vase, and if you notice, the cupboard has a lot of outlets, so I don't like to show my outlets a lot, so I'm going to put decor to style. I already wipe and clean this surface, so we are starting off with the clean set. I took down everything, give it a good wipe and clean. So this is what we are going to start with. So during the Christmas season, I love to use ribbons, so we are going to put some ribbons through the handles and just taking through and making sure it's on the side that you want it. And what I'm going to do, make sure I have two equal sides and just tie a knot. You can leave it like that, but I'm going to tie a bow. I don't want it too tight because I still want to see the ribbon going through the earth. So that's what I'm going to do. Just a simple bow. So I'm just going to tie a simple bow. Turn the middle section out so you can see that pitch part of the paper. So just like that. You can tweak and pull and tweak it however you want. Hobby Lobby, this was $15.99. And it's pretty full, and I'm just going to style it just like this, but it was $15.99 with 50% off. So that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. That is done.